Hello children, we will discuss about the format of the question paper for your upcoming boards, that is 2020-21 next year. The pattern which was followed last year has now changed. This time there are many changes done by CBSE. So let's begin. Question paper will be of 80 marks, as you all must be knowing. It will be divided into two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A will be totally MCQ based questions. Part B will be subjective questions. Part A will be of 40 marks and Part B will also be of 40 marks. Now first come to Part A. First is 2 questions of reading passages of 10 marks each will be given. That is, each passage will be of 10 marks. Questions will be in MCQ pattern. So 2 questions of reading passages will be there and total 10 plus 10, 20. Second, grammar. 2 questions of 5 marks each. 2 questions will be given of 5 marks each. It will be of 10 marks. Grammar MCQ questions will be of 10 marks. All questions will be MCQ based. Then 2 reference to contest will be given. 2 extracts will be there of 5 marks each. Each extract will be having choice. I am clearing. 2 extracts based on prose or drama will be there. You have to do only one. Then 2 extracts based on poetry will be there. You have to do only one. So all the questions will be MCQ based. 2 extracts will be there of 5 marks each. So total will be 10 marks. Now if we come to total marks of Part A, we will get 40 marks. 2 passages, 20 marks, plus grammar, 10 marks, plus 2 extracts, 10 marks. Total 40. All MCQ questions. Now come to Part B. First is writing. Now first question will be of writing, that is letter writing. You have to prepare all 4 types of letters. That is letter to editor, letter of inquiry, order and letter of cancellation. Out of this anyone can come. Second question will be an analytical paragraph with a word limit of 100 to 120 words based on given outline, data chart or clues. Now children, this time CBSE has introduced an analytical paragraph instead of story writing. Okay, now what is an analytical paragraph? It is a form of writing based on interpreting the facts presented in the form of table, graph or chart. Both questions will be of 5 marks each. Letter of 5 marks and paragraph of 5 marks. Total 10 marks. Then we come to next one. Answer the questions in 20 to 30 words. This will be of 8 marks. 3 questions from first flight, 3 questions from footprints without feet. So total 6 questions, out of which you have to do 4. So 4 questions of 2 marks each and will be of 8 marks. Then next, answer the questions in 40 to 50 words of 12 marks. Now here again 3 questions from first flight, 3 questions from footprints without feet. Total 6 questions, out of which you have to do 4. So 4 questions of 3 marks each. Total 12 marks. Then we move on to long answer type questions. This will come 2 of 5 marks each. 2 questions will be from first flight, out of which you have to do only 1. And 2 questions from footprints without feet, out of which you have to do only 1. So from each book 2 questions will be given and you have to do 1 each. Total will be 10 marks. So total portion of part B will be 40 marks. Writing part 10 marks, and then questions of 20 to 30 words. This will be of 8 marks, and the limit of 40 to 50 words will be of 12 marks plus 20. 8 plus 12, 20. And then long question 5 marks each. It will be of 10 marks. So 10 plus 20 plus 10 equals to 40. And 40 plus 40 equals to 80. Hope it will help you all. Prepare well and follow my videos for good success. Thank you.